To create a new event, you can log in to your Eventbrite or you can sign up if you don't have an account already. If you have an account, select login. Log in with your details, your email address, and your password. Select login. From there, select create an event. This is where you now add the basic details about your event. So you can add the event title. In our case, we'll just put testing. You may have quite a number of organizers, so choose the relevant organizer, or you can put in your name as the organizer or your business. Now you can select the type of event that you will be organizing. You can then select the category of that event, and then if there is a subcategory, you can select it. There are tags that you can use, and the tags will help people to find your event easier. You can add up to 10 tags. So, to add a tag, you just search for some keywords and then choose from the list. You can also add tags if you want. You can determine and decide whether it's going to be a online event or a physical venue, or whether the venue is to be announced. If it's a physical event, you can search for the location. But in our case, we're going to do an online event. So we are now going to determine whether it's a single event or a reoccurring event. In our case, we've chosen a single event. So I'm going to type in the event start, date, and then the start time. And then we would do the event end date and the end time. You can select the time zone as well as the language for your event. Once you're done, select save and continue. This is where you can upload a copy of the image that should go for your event. You can upload an image or you can add an image from Canva. So I've added an image. You then add a summary of your event. And the summary should be something catchy that will attract people to your event. Add a description about your event. You can add text, image, or even video if you wish to further enhance the event. Then select save and continue. You can review changes, you can save. Now, when you save, it then moves on to the online event page. You can connect this to Zoom if you wish, or you can click link to another provider, or you can even share additional content. If you wish to connect to Zoom, you would need to select connect. And then you can add your Zoom details and then sign in, and then you'll be able to choose the event. But in our case, what we would do is we'll select link to another provider. We will still add our Zoom URL. We will add the title, Zoom link. We could add an image if we wanted. We could add further instructions if we want, and then save and continue. So this is where we have to add our tickets. We could search for a ticket, and if we do, it will copy a ticket from a past event. But we're going to create new tickets. So determine whether it's going to be a paid ticket or a free ticket, or you can even have a donation ticket. Give your ticket a title, and then say how many people you want the ticket to be available for. Then select the start and end date of the ticket and the time, then select save. Once done, select next. Now we're getting ready to publish our event. But before we publish, we just want to preview the event and just see how it looks like. Ours is really, really basic, just a testing event. But once we're done, we're going to close the preview. And now we're going to hit publish. You can determine who can see your event, whether it's the public or whether it should be private. You can publish now or schedule for a later time, and then select publish. It says, congrats, you published your event. So we can now view our event. Just scroll down and have a look at the event and see how it's looking. And then when you're ready, you can decide to promote the event if you wish.